This enchanting A-frame mountain home combines cozy comfort with modern amenities. Hi, I'm Kayla with Remax. Let's go explore 1492 Burland Drive. Nestled on a lush, grassy lot, this mountain retreat features an inviting exterior and a spacious deck, perfect for outdoor dining, barbecues, or simply enjoying the local wildlife. Step inside to discover an open floor plan and vaulted ceilings, creating an airy and bright atmosphere. The sunroom is filled with natural light, perfect for your morning coffee or afternoon tea. The kitchen is the heart of the home, which is great for cooking and entertaining. The kitchen flows naturally into the bright living room, highlighting a warm fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors, and a cozy loft. Head up the spiral staircase to the snug loft, a perfect spot for a home office, reading nook, or additional sleeping space. The primary bedroom offers a serene retreat with wood floors and ample space for relaxation. The secondary bedroom has access to the patio and is adjacent to the big laundry room, which provides lots of cabinet storage and extra space. Located in the community of Bailey, featuring local shops, a brewery, a winery, the Sasquatch Museum, hiking trails, and fishing spots. It serves as a gateway to the high country, ideal for all your mountain adventures. So if you or someone you know would love to call this home, reach out to me for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.